Meet the LIFX Mini E27, a smart lighting solution with easy control, adjustable brightness, and seamless home integration. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the LIFX Mini E27, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Plug and pair. Setting up the LIFX Mini E27 is quick and easy. First, screw the light into a compatible E27 socket and switch on the power. Download the LIFX app on your smartphone and create an account to begin setup. The app will guide you through connecting the light to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you can control your lighting from anywhere, adjust brightness, create schedules, and customize your lighting experience. With simple plug-and-pair setup, the LIFX Mini E27 makes smart home lighting effortless. Smart features? Setting up the LIFX Mini E27 is simple. Just screw it into a compatible socket, turn on the power, and connect it to your Wi-Fi using the LIFX app. Within minutes, your smart light is ready to use. Enjoy smarter lighting with LIFX Mini E27. Connect with smart assistants for voice control, automate your lights, and manage your home lighting with ease. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your LIFX Mini E27. See you in the next one.